I will re-talk one more time about cross-site scripting, except with a little bit more detail. I explained the subject in the web application vulnerability, but I got some feedback that I need to do a couple of example more. So I'll try my best, because actually I'm not that much into the web application vulnerability, but I'll try my best to explain, and I'm going to give you some website to test on them and try to get a little bit deeper. And if you need any resources, let me know. I'll send you as much as I can. I'm going to talk about cross-site scripting, or XSS. Now, the cross-site scripting, it's one kind of attack where if you have a field, and instead of putting data here, what you can do, you can put JavaScript. Actually, it's one of the programmer or developer mistakes that he's not validating the input. So what I can do here, I can write a script, same idea of SQL injection. You can write a script here and you click on submit. If this script execute, and this is actually what we're going to see in a few seconds, that means that the site is affected with cross-site scripting. But we have two different kinds of cross-site scripting, and this is actually very important. We have the reflected site scripting, and we have the stored cross-site scripting. What is the difference between them? The reflected, it's something to be done just one time. I mean, I'm going to write something here. I click on submit, it will be executed, and that's it. And I consider that very weak, because we're going to see that to be able to get advantage from this vulnerability, you have to send to the administrator a link and to convince him to click on it to be able to get access. So it's somehow weak. While the stored, what script you'll be writing here, it will be stored in their database. So anyone who's opening this page, not just you, anyone that opens this page, this script will be executed and you will be getting the result wherever you are. Are you getting my point? So one more time, reflected, it's something to be done one time. It will not be stored in the database itself for the website. While stored, whatever you are writing here, it will not just be executed once, but it will also be saved inside this page. So anyone else, anywhere in the world who opens the page, this code will be executed. So it's much more dangerous. So let's give an example about, or let's start with that. And let's start how to get, and let's explain how to get advantage from that.